Okay, we're going to keep looking at absolute value functions in a lot of different ways here. Let's graph an absolute value function. 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 4. Now remember, the x minus 2, when we subtract in there, it moves it to the right. So our vertex, instead of being at 0, 0, the vertex moves right 2, and then the plus 4 moves it up 4. The 3 kind of gives me how steep those arms of the V are. It gives me basically a slope of 3. So right 2, up 4. Slope of 3 would be here, here. And then the other side is always a mirror image. Now, let's walk through this. What are the slopes? Well, one slope is 3, and the other one is negative 3. The vertex, this common point here, is the point 2, 4. All right. Now, technically, what we have is really two lines kind of put together, but only parts of them. Do you see that if I continued on, I'd have a straight line going this way. And if I continued here, I could have a straight line with a slope of negative 3 going this way. So what we're going to try to do is figure out what the linear equations would be for each of these and write this absolute value function as a piecewise function. So, using these slopes and using the vertex as a point on the line, let's use point slope because I love point slope. I hope you do too. Point slope says y minus the y value of my point equals m slope times x minus x1, which is the x value of my point. So over here on this side, let's do the slope of 3. Y minus 4 equals 3 times x minus 2. Now to write it in function form, I'm going to have to pretty this up a little bit. So that would be 3 times x minus 2 plus 4. Okay, good. All right, on this side, we're going to use the negative 3 slope. So y minus 4 equals negative 3 times x minus 2. All right, we got it. Okay, get it solved for y. So negative 3 times x minus 2 plus 4. 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 4. So the original function, f of x, was 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 4. It's like taking the positive and negative versions of the absolute value. Oh my goodness. Just like when we were solving them. That's crazy. Okay, so let's see if we can rewrite it more as a piecewise function. So the part that's got the positive slope, the right side, is 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 4. But when are we graphing that? We're only graphing this portion. So that portion of the graph